Vanakkam viewers, welcome back. Missed us? Well, we missed you a lot because in today's video, again, we've tried to bring one of the bestest authentic, cultural, traditional, occasion wearable, fashionable sari for you. So, well, let's talk less and begin today's collection. So, Paithani saris is what I'm going to show you today. And not just one, not just two, not just four, but we have many color options available in this catalog. So stay tuned, do not go anywhere. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Okay. Now, let us begin with opening this sari first and then I'll show you all the details. Okay. Opening the pallu first. Okay. Here comes the pallu. Look at the detailing. Firstly, look at the gold. Lots and lots of golden zari work done over here. End tassels are going to be like so. Maroon tassels running through. Then the multicolors are very, very beautiful. And then coming to the main body, you have this border on top and on bottom. Both the borders are going to have again zari work, and throughout the body, the main body of the sari is also having golden zari work. Okay, so here's this dark pink shade, very first color of this catalog, and then you're going to get this blouse material along with the sari. Now, moving on to the second color. Now, before I show you the second color, I'll just be very specific with these two colors basically. So these actually look quite similar, minor difference. So I'll just show it to you first. One is going to be darker green. The second one is a blue tone shade. And the one that I'm wearing is a lighter green shade. So these are three almost green shades that we are having in this Paithani catalog. Alright, so let us begin with dark green first. Also guys, if you want to place wholesale orders or retail orders, both the orders we deal with. So you can just give us a call on the contact number which is on your screen right now. And for the shoppers, for the retailers or for our normal customers, you have our application, you can just visit that. So here is going to be your dark green pallu, the multicolors, the gold, the royal look. And then here's the main body of your sari. If you focus on the lower border, that's also very eye-catching. Look at the flowers, look at the butterflies, the leaves, very stunning. And then with this, you're going to get a nice emerald green blouse material here. Okay, a fabulous silk sari. And here comes the second shade, which is going to be this Rama color for you. I'll just open this up. And then the one that I'm wearing is the lighter green shade. So whichever green shade you want to go for, you can go. And here is going to be your pallu. Again, the bright colors are going so lovely with this Rama color as well. Here's the main body. Also guys, if you've shopped with us already, please let us know in the comments. Your reviews are very important. Reviews, queries, whatever it is, our comment box is open for you. Okay, and here's going to be your blouse material. Here comes the next color, which is neon pink. So as I said in the very start, we have many color options available. Here is your pallu. Again, the flowers, the butterflies, the leaves. Very beautiful. Silk is going to be the fabric, as I said already. It's very, very pocket friendly, guys. Very, very affordable. Here comes your blouse material, which is going to be same as the sari. Moving on towards blue tones now. So here comes your blue color sari. A very bright dark blue color this one is. Here's the pallu. Also guys, if you like Paithani in general, or you've just started liking Paithani from this particular video, we have many Paithani collections, many Paithani catalogs. So you can just go and have a look on the previous videos of our channel. That's where you will find all the Paithani collections. And here's the blouse. Oops, blouse material. Now we'll move on towards reds and yellows. So here comes a red saree. Well guys, do let me tell in the comment sections that in this particular catalog, which is your favorite color, okay? So that it helps us creating that particular color in almost as many catalogs possible. All right, so the comment section is open for you. Please let us know which is your favorite color from this catalog. So here is your entire look. And now the blouse is going to be red blouse along with this saree. Here we have the last color of this catalog, which is going to be yellow. Quite bright, quite happy color. So here is your pallu. Again, colors going super lovely with yellow. And the blouse material that you get along with this is going to be same as your saree's color. Here. And the green that I am wearing, I feel I'm telling you guys to tell me your favorite color. I'll tell you which is my favorite color from this catalog. I really liked Rama and then this light green, because I feel the flower colors, the leaves look really lovely on this light green. So the entire look comes out very nice. Well, this was about today's Paithani catalog, but in next video we are going to come up with more and more stunning catalogs. For that, you have to like, share and subscribe to our channel. All right, see you soon. Bye bye.